Geelong is essentially Victoria's second city and has been considered as a working class town for a long time. The opportunities now in the Geelong region, be it both building and civil orientated, are enormous. Delivering a project such as this is important for delivering for local government, but also delivering a complex project for local government as well.
Wurriki Nyal in traditional language means speak and talk together, which is really important because we had about 8 or 9 different council offices around the city. They're now here, based in the one building. Speak and talk together really reflects what's been achieved. We appointed B6 Watpac and of course Cox Architecture. So we had the best team, I think, right from the start. They've been great to work with.
I think it's a really unique project in the fact that B6 Watpac were a part of our team from the start. So in the initial design phases, it allowed us as architects to put design positions down very early, test ideas, get the feedback from builders, from consultants, from trades, all the way down to trades and including the CLT manufacturers, to develop systems and processes in place that were best for project really.
There's some unique elements to the project, the main one being the structure. So it's a hybrid structure and a key component of that is the timber structure, the mass timber structure. So we've got glulam columns and beams and CLT floors. So the hybrid structure consists of a traditional basement car park, 2 levels of concrete structure and then the timber from there. There's also elements of structural steel mixed in to add to the complexity. The team, in conjunction with our subcontractors, came up with a new way to the industry of lifting the CLT, and as a result of that we actually won an award at the recent Master Builders Awards for excellence in health and safety.
I think one of the unique aspects of the project is the integration of Aboriginal culture and art. On the western facade we have these perforated shade fins with the Aboriginal artwork perforated into the actual fin material, integrated into the building fabric and envelope.
We had many challenges on the project, like any building project, especially those built in a pandemic. But one of the more unique challenges was the blockade of the Suez Canal by the Ever Given container ship. So that was a delay that we never saw coming, but we had to work around that, had a solution, and in the end, whilst the timber turned up late, we still delivered the structure on time.
I think for us as architects, we really love the honesty and the expression of structure. Not only does it perform visually and aesthetically, but structurally it's definitely a lighter system, it's more sustainable and certainly a really good outcome.
Exposed timber beams, a lot of feature timber within the project, the featured brickwork, it's radiused, exposed red bricks. There's a lot of products you don't typically see in mass-produced buildings that Cox have brought into that project, just make it stand out.
The final result is just brilliant. Far better than what I imagined we could have achieved. So I'm proud and the councillor group is proud of this building. And I think the biggest impact that I have seen is the staff and the staff morale.
Delivering a project that is sustainable, 6-star Green Star, 6-star neighbours, these are the type of projects that can be delivered more in the future.